From time immemorial, man has been on the quest to know the meaning and purpose of life. Through the years, man has attempted to unveil the mystery called life. Why do I suffer? Why am I here? Where do I come from? Where am I going to from here? And above all, who am I? These questions ring prominent in the minds of men. After many years of penance, some have succeeded, and they are known as sages and saints. These sages have, out of their compassion for mankind, proclaimed to the world, "O man, you are not just this body of mere flesh and bones. You are immortal Atman. You are radiant divinity. Realize this and be free." This production is a witness to such a one. His name is Swami Shivananda.
Practical way to self-realization. Beloved immortal self, thou art divine. Live up to it. Feel and realize thy divine nature. Thou art the master of your destiny. Do not be discouraged. Sorrows, difficulties and tribulations manifest in the daily battle of life. Draw courage and spiritual strength from within. There is a vast inexhaustible magazine of power and knowledge within. Learn the ways to tap the source. Dive deep within. Sink down. Plunge in the sacred waters of immortality. Behold it remain within. You will be quite refreshed, renovated and unified when you go to the divine source and realize, I am the immortal self or Atman.
Om Namo
not murmur. Do not grumble when troubles and sorrows descend upon you. Every difficulty is an opportunity for you to develop your will and to grow strong. Welcome it. Difficulties strengthen your will, augment your power and endurance, and turn your mind towards God. Face them with a smile. In your weakness lies your real strength. Thou art invincible. Nothing can harm you. Conquer the difficulties one by one. This is the beginning of a new life, a life of expansion, glory and divine splendor. Aspire and draw. Grow, expand. Build up all positive, virtuous qualities with daily sympathy, namely fortitude, patience and courage that are dormant in you. Start a new life, tread the spiritual path and realize I am the immortal self or Atman. Have a new angle vision. Arm yourself with determination, cheerfulness, discernment, alacrity and understanding spirit. Recognize, claim thy birthright now. Thou art the immortal self or Atman. Determination and self-reliance are very necessary for success in self-realization. In Mundaka Upanishads you will find this Atman cannot be attained by one who is destitute of strength or without earnestness or by penance without mark. But if a wise man strives after it by those means, then his self enters into Brahman. Fearlessness is an important qualification for an aspirant. There is no such thing as sin. Sin is only a mistake. Sin is a mental creation. The baby soul must commit some mistake during the process of evolution. Mistakes are your best teachers. The idea of sin will be blown in the air if you think, I am the immortal self or Atman. Don't say karma. My karma has brought me like this. Exact. Do purushartha, do tapas. Concentrate, purify, meditate. Don't become a fatalist. Don't yield to inertia. Don't bleat like a lamb. Roar, om, like a lion of Vedanta. See how Markandeya, who was destined to die at his 16th year, became a Chiranjeevi, an immortal boy of 16 years, on account of his tapas. Also note how Savitri by her tapas brought back to her life her dead husband. How Benjamin Franklin and the late Sarthi Muthuswami Iyer of the Madras bench indicated themselves. Remember, my dear Niranjan, that man is master of his destiny. Vishwamitra Rishi, who was a Kshatriya Raja, became a Brahma Rishi like Vasishtha and even created a third world for Tasyanku by his power of tapas. Raghuratnagar became the sage. Valmiki through tapas. Rose, Jadai and Madai of Bengal became highly developed saints. They became the disciples of Gauranga. What others have done you can also do. There is no doubt of this. You can also do wonders and miracles if you apply yourself to spiritual sadhana, tapas and meditation. Read the book Poverty to Power by James Allen. With interested attention, you'll be inspired. Draw the program of your life. Follow the 20 important spiritual instructions and 40 golden precepts. Read my book Sure Ways for Successful Life and God Realization. Adhere to the spiritual routine. Apply yourself with zeal and enthusiasm to sadhana. Become a Naistik Brahmachari. Be steady and systematic in your spiritual practices. Shine in your own dative, pristine, bloody glory. Become a Jivan Mukta. Remember, thou art the children of immortality. Hey Soumya, dear immortal self, be bold, be cheerful, though you are down and out, though you have nothing to eat, though you are clad in rags, the essential nature is such garments, existence absolute, knowledge absolute and bliss absolute. This outer cloak, this mortal physical shape, is an illusory Maya production. Smile, whistle, laugh, jump, dance in joy and ecstasy. See Om Om Om, Ram Ram Ram, Sham Sham Sham, Shivoham Shivoham Shivoham, Soham Soham Soham, come out of this cage of flesh. Thou art not this perishable body. Thou art immortal self Atman. Thou art sexless Atman. Thou art the son of king of kings, an emperor of emperors, Brahma who punishes the Atman who dwells in the chambers of your heart, Sarve Guha. Act as such, feel as such, claim your birthright now from this very second. Feel as such, recognize, realize, not from tomorrow or the day after, but right now from this very second. Tattvamasi, thou art that was Naranjan, thou art immortal self or Atman.